Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix the camera not working issue on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just tap and hold on the camera app icon. Now from here tap on app info. Now from here just tap on clear data. Now from here select clear cache. Now from here tap on OK. Now once you have done that, just tap on clear all data and select OK. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the settings app. Now from here scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here tap on manage apps and search camera. Now from here tap on camera and tap on storage. Now from here tap on clear all data. Now from here tap on OK. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now from here scroll down and tap on app permissions. Now from here scroll down and make sure you give this app all these permissions. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now from here tap on force stop. Now from here tap on OK. Now from here just go to your home screen and reboot your smartphone by pressing and holding the power button. Now from here swipe down to reboot your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to reboot your smartphone. Now once your smartphone finishes rebooting, just open your smartphone. Now from here, just open the camera app. Now as you can see, this is how you can fix the camera not working issue on any Poco phone. Now if you have done these settings and it did not fix your camera problem, then this might be a hardware issue. To fix this hardware issue, just go to your nearest service center and they will fix your smartphone. And this is how you can fix the camera not working issue on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.